the marketing strategy behind that needs to get implemented in these platforms as platforms change. It's the same thing that worked 20 years ago, works today, it's going to work 20 years on the line.
Manuel, a lot of times you use the word evergreen. And I know that different people use it in a different way. And I looked it up and I looked up all the definitions and I thought, you know what, I need to find out exactly how you think when you're using the word evergreen.
It's a great question, Carrie, and I think evergreen is more of a marketing term, especially when I use it in that sense. I have been listening to the word evergreen before I personally felt that I was a marketer myself. So it does communicate. Like there's the second definition on Google. If you go to google.com and you search for evergreen, communicates what I'm trying to communicate with this word, which says having an enduring freshness, success, or popularity. The sentence says, in Hollywood parlance, Star Trek is an evergreen asset. So it's very simple. Like evergreen marketing strategies are strategies that are going to endure beyond changes in the platforms and in the landscape and the internet world, which is consistently changing. What works today is not going to work tomorrow. What worked yesterday now starts working again. That's just the way it is in marketing. So something that's evergreen in the world of marketing is a strategy is going to help you capture attention. It doesn't matter what era we're at. I'm working on making a marketing classic. This is a book that's going to keep on helping people in generations to come. It's going to help them understand how to succeed at scale, because the subject of marketing is a subject of impact. And I'm going to be teaching people how to impact with their message, with their information, with their value, with their content, with their inspiration, education, information, whatever that may be. So I'm going to teach them about that. So I want to make sure that they know that what I'm going to teach them is evergreen. It's, again, to repeat what it says over here in Google, which is a source that we all trust in, having an enduring freshness, success, or popularity. It's very simple. So that's my vision behind that particular word. Instead of using something like immortal, or instead of using something like eternal strategies, or instead of using something like whatever word may be, it just feels natural to communicate that we're teaching people evergreen marketing, which is marketing is going to help them create an impact at scale, no matter what generation they are at, no matter what's going on in the world today. If they apply that and they just implement it to today's environment, like instead of doing TikTok, they're going to be doing TalkTok, whatever it is, right? In the future, the marketing strategy behind that needs to get implemented in these platforms as platforms change. It's the same thing that worked 20 years ago, works today, it's going to work 20 years on the line. In this world of the internet, it is the marketing strategy that's going to help them dominate the social media game, the marketing game, the business game. That's an evergreen marketing strategy.
Thank you, Manuel. That's a great answer.